2025 has already started. Maybe you have a whole list of resolutions. And to be honest, when you did it previous years, did it work out for you? Did you achieve your goals? Did you do everything on your list? Did you do it longer than a few weeks or a month? Well, this year is a year of closure and a year of transformation. So maybe try a new way of doing things. Join me in this workshop where I will guide you in, maybe for you, a very new way of closing 2024, closing even the years before that, extracting from the last few years even what you need to make this year, 2025, an amazing year for you, a year where you can close chapters, where you can start new things without having to suffer and suffer and suffer and suffer, like many people will be doing this year, because trying to hold on to the old while the world around you is completely changing and transforming is not going to work. So adapt. And what better way than to get some tips and tools on how to adapt to make it a wonderful year for you. Click that link and let's do this together. Like, subscribe, and share.